Ever wondered what it really takes to win a hackathon? Well, we're about to dissect a pitch so ambitious, it's a masterclass in itself. We're talking about a project called Neural Prism.
And they come out swinging. Right from the get-go, they hit you with this mission. It's not just a goal, it's a massive, audacious statement designed to make every single judge lean in. Okay, so you've got this huge mission, but what problem are you actually solving? This is where they get really clever. They target what they see as a core flaw in all of today's AI, and they give it a name, the chatbot fallacy.
So what is this fallacy? Their whole argument is that the AI we use today, it's just a mirror. Think about it. It just reflects our own complexity back at us. We're the ones doing all the hard work, basically learning to speak machine just to get a good answer.
Right, so if the problem is that AI is just a mirror, what's the solution? Well, it's not about a better mirror, it's a total shift in thinking. They want to turn that mirror into a powerful lens.
And this lens analogy is perfect. Instead of just reflecting what you put in, Neural Prism is designed to take the raw, unfocused power of a model like Google's Gemini, they call it white light, and actually refract it. It focuses all that potential into real, tangible, high-quality stuff.
And look, this is way bigger than just making a better chatbot. The endgame here is something they've dubbed sovereign physicality. Kind of sounds complex, but what it really means is that the AI becomes the foundation for you to create real, verifiable things you actually own, not just a bunch of text on a screen.
Okay, big ideas are great, right? But for a hackathon pitch to win, you have to show the judges the goods. You need that technical wow factor. And this is the part where Neural Prism pulls back the curtain on how it all actually works.
Their first trick is super smart. They basically bypass all the slow, expensive parts of development. Setting up servers, waiting for code to compile, all that stuff. Instead, they use a high-fidelity simulation. It's like a flight simulator, but for your code. You can test everything, see exactly what will happen without ever actually flying it on real hardware.
And they give this whole concept a killer name. Get this, the liar's computer. It's a computer that can lie and tell you exactly what your code will do with over 98% accuracy without ever having to run it. I mean, how cool is that? It makes everything insanely fast and totally safe.
So what's the result of all this? It's not just a cool party trick. It leads to a proven 10-fold reduction in the energy cost of actually building new tech. That's not just an improvement, that's a game changer.
Now, a truly great pitch doesn't wait for the hard questions. It answers them before they're even asked. And here, they address something a technical judge would definitely pick up on. Wait, why are you using two different Gemini models?
And the answer is just brilliant. It shows they've really thought this through. They use Gemini Pro, the big powerhouse, for all the heavy lifting, the deep thinking. But for the quick, snappy, real-time stuff, they use the faster Gemini Flash. They call it a neural symphony, which is a perfect way to describe it, using the right tool for the right job to get the absolute most bang for your buck.
So they've nailed the problem, the solution, and the tech. The judges are convinced it works. Now for the grand finale, they zoom way out and show everyone what this all leads to. Their long-term vision, it's all about decentralization. So instead of superintelligence living in these giant, faraway data centers owned by huge companies, they imagine a future where that power is brought right into our homes, into our neighborhoods. And here's how they do it. It's based on a 10-to-1 ratio. Just picture it. 10 houses on your street could pool their resources to share one local, powerful computer hub. It's a distributed network that makes the whole system way more efficient and a lot harder to break.
And this is where it all comes together. The culmination of this whole pitch is a future where superintelligence isn't some expensive luxury. It becomes a self-funding public utility, something as basic and as essential as the air we breathe or the electricity in our walls. So they don't just end with a summary. They leave the judges, and, well, all of us, chewing on a really big question. If superintelligence becomes free for everyone, what's the new currency? What makes us valuable? A seriously powerful way to end a pitch that's pretty close to perfect.